Lentorni G goes back to Boracay! Nasakay na tayo. Good morning, Boracay! Grabe, napaka-breathtaking ng sunset sa Boracay. And since nandito na po kayo, might as well try Paraw sailing and see the gorgeous, spectacular sunset in Boracay. If you're a joiner or mag-isa po kayo, you can pay 600 pesos. Kung isang group naman po kayo, you can hire one Paraw. Ito po yung boat or yung parang Vinta boat, which costs 2,500 pesos per trip. Usually, mga 30 minutes po kayo magsisail and papanoorin nyo ang magandang sunset. Good thing, we were so lucky na merong sunset nung time na yon. Minsan po kasi, pag maulap, madilim, hindi mo makikita ang sunset. Eto po, samahan niyo po kami. Papanoorin po natin kung paano mag-set ang sun dito sa Boracay. Napaka-romantic, kaya mas maganda may partner ka eh.
Lost in your eyes, under your spell. Oh, it's like we've always known it. Even though it's new, I can already tell. Oh, that this feeling is taking over. Can we take our time? I wanna savor us. Every thought on my mind of you and I getting together. Gotta tell ya, I gotta tell ya, I wanna love ya, I wanna love ya. So come on over, I wanna touch, kiss ya.
Grabe, ang ganda i-paint nito. Ang ganda. Nakakaingit man dahil merong dalawang couples akong katabi. It was an honor and privilege to see
sa aking mga friends dyan. Hi from
people who have
Batangas
watched
sila.
my
Hello
vlog.
po.
Thank you po! Ang swerte ko, nakasabay ko si Ma'am Angelica and her lovey doves here in a very memorable Paraw sailing moment in Boracay.
Ganda.
You can go to Bamboo Restaurant in Station 3. Sa tapat po niya, nandito po yung mga tour guides, mga travel agencies, mga nagpo-provide po ng tours. You can also book via Klook kung lagi po kayong gumagamit ng Klook app when you travel. Sobrang dami po mga activities ang pwedeng gawin sa Boracay na talaga naman po kayong mag-i-enjoy. Pakicheck nyo po yung mga ibang vlogs ko. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell para alam nyo po whenever I upload new vlogs. Ang dami po nating vlogs about Boracay. Please check it out. And papasyal po tayo sa iba't ibang places. Samahan nyo po ako as we go travel. This has been Lentorni G. Thank you so much mga ka-G.